Good evening, everyone, respected judges, my dear friends. Myself, Pooja, and today's our debate is on the topic online shopping and versus offline shopping. So, we have team A with us, and also we have team B with us. So, first, I would like to start with team A by Rashmi.
Good evening, everyone, respected teacher and my dear friends. I am in favor of offline shopping. In offline shopping, we can touch fabric and we know the quality of the product, and it also support the local shopkeeper. That's my point. Thank you.
Respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends, good evening. Myself Sonali, and today I'll stand. My standpoint is online shopping. Okay, the online shopping is the biggest convenience advantage for us because we can shop 24/7 in our home. There is no traffic problem. There is no in other problem. There is no time limit. We can shop anytime, and we can shop anytime and whatever we want. That's why I think online shopping is better than offline shopping. That's it.
Anyone to oppose her?
Good evening, all. My opinion is in favor of offline shopping. Uh, Offline shopping is no doubt it is convenient, but it is not build a confidence. In offline shopping, we can examine the product, touch and feel the product. So this is my point. Thank you.
Team B.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Vaishnavi. I am in the favor of online shopping. As she said, offline shopping is like we can feel and try it, but in online shopping, we know the review of who buy that product, and also the rating and quality of that product. That's my view.
Anyone?
Good evening, respected judges, ma'am, and my dear friends. I am Aniket Jharkhandi, and I am in favor of offline shopping. Then offline shopping, uh, we have to go directly in shop and check quality of clothes or product, and we also try this. That's why properly we check quality, and this is my point.
Anyone want to oppose him?
Um, I'm agree with you, but sometimes we can manage our time for shopping, so we can do online shopping also. There are many apps to shop online, and we can check there also review are there, and so many people say they do writing on that, so we can check it out that.
Good evening, everyone. Respected judges, respected ma'am, and all my dear friends. I am Praveen Brahmane. I am stand before you. I am stand before you to speak on the topic of online shopping versus offline shopping. My view is I am favor with all offline shopping because shopping gives us many options to check the product or use the products. We can use the products and then we buy the products. And also with the shops is near by our home, so we easily visit, and if and easily also exchange also. This is my point.
Hello everyone, I am Khushi. Good evening, respected judges and teachers and everyone. Today I am favor in online shopping because it is friendly. Okay, so and next thing it provides the most essential list, and it provides the lot of list regarding that product. That is my point.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaibhav. In my opinion, is yes, yes. In my opinion, is before purchasing product, they I can check the quality and touch it and costing with shop owner. That's why offline shopping is good.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nidhi, and today I'm here to speak about online shopping. So, online shopping is better than offline shopping because online shopping is save energy and time, and don't need to search shop and for bargaining. So that's why online shopping is better.
Good evening, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Gayatri. Today I stand in the favor of motion offline shopping. So, according to my opinion, offline shopping is best because offline shopping has several benefits and advantages. Like you touch the fabric, quality of fabric, and you go to shop for buying clothes. So you try outfit before you before you buying. So it's my point.
Good evening, everyone. I am Diksha. I flavor in online shopping. Online shopping is important because time saves, time saving, or review, or online shopping is time management or busy schedules. You are so we are online shopping important. That's my point.
Good evening, everyone. Respected judges, respected sir, ma'am. So today we are going to speak on online shopping versus offline shopping. So I am in favor of offline shopping. As my opponent said, they are in favor of online shopping. Online shopping is very budget friendly. Online shopping is available 24 hours. So these are partially true, but I think there are many risks. There may be frauds happen during that online shopping. And offline shopping is good according to me because in offline shopping there are there are easy access for offline shopping available. Many stores, general stores, shops are available for us. So offline shopping is better than, according to me, online shopping. Thank you.
Online shopping is better because if you order a product and they provide you damaged product, you have to option that refund it, and they return your money back. And if you they have a return policy also, and if you get damaged product, they provide you a very good product. Okay, that's my point.
As per my opinion, offline shopping is much better than online shopping because there is a relation between local shopkeepers and consumers. Local shopkeepers can give information about the product and budget more about that product, so we can consume it. That's my point.
Okay, my all opponents says offline shopping is better because of we can they can provide, matlab, we can touch the fabric, we have the quality. But I think like of online shopping have also provide quality, they provide which fabric we have to buy, I think that is like a small issue for us. We can touch the fabric or the quality is good or bad. I think the quality or fabric are already mentioned in of on online shopping. That's why.
So in offline shopping, when we buy top or dress, we can see the fitting of the dress. So we know in offline shopping, and also in offline shopping, we can bargain with the shopkeeper, and also like it say that in online shopping have a budget friendly, but in in offline shopping we have a big malls, and in the malls we have a sale that we can buy budget friendly clothes. It's my point.
As you said that offline shopping is better because there is a store open nearby house, but a store is not always 24/7 open. So online shopping provide that facility to buy anytime on the online app. There are many apps, and we can also compare prices and quality also. That's
My opponents are saying that the online shopping is better. Yes, it is better, but the time consuming, you are saying that 24 hour by 7 the is on. Yes, it is on, but when the wrong product is come on the to deliver, and they and also the broken products. I am not talking about the clothes, shoes. I am talking about the technologies, electronics devices. They don't provide the exchange offer. They provide the support team, and we have to visit at the company store where the company is, and to visit the store, and it is also taking the times like 2 or 3 days. After that we also order something, and it is mismatch also there. If I order the thing that clothes, and the mismatch clothes are also coming on the to deliver. So and then also the time taking to return the product, the 2 or 3 days also we are gone. So offline shopping is better because we have to visit the shop and tell the and see the what we want to buy. That is my point.
Nice point. Anyone to oppose?
I'm agree with you, but there are some brands which are not in India, so we have to take it that out of India, so we can not go there to take that particular product, so we can purchase it online, and it also give us in a lower price.
Yes, I am correct, but we have to support our Indian brands, so we have to use the Indian brands.
But
That
point
is my
is
point.
not Indian or outside India. It is offline or online. So I am in offline. Sorry, online.
In my opinion, my opponents say online shopping is better, but I think my opinion daily every day create laziness. Yeah, that's why we order online.
But that doesn't prove your point. Anyone to oppose him?
I am in favor of offline shopping. Oh, sorry. I am in favor in online shopping because if you got the membership, premium membership, they delivered you order in just one day. And if you don't know about that, okay, you should afford it because they try to give you some discounts, because if you don't have energy to bargain with shopkeepers, so we have to try so we have to try to get premium. And also what he point tell that, that's it. अरे याद नहीं आया, कुछ तो बोला था मुझे. इसको नहीं.
Okay. As Praveen says, when we need any product on urgent basis, then what can we do? There is only one options. We have to shopping in local shops, and there is no online delivery in one day. So we have to convenient offline shopping.
As he said that visiting the store and purchasing that product, but if we want to purchase any product which is not available nearby, or which is from other state or famous in other state, so what we want to do at that time? We want to purchase it from online.
Yes, that time. That time we use.
So you actually team B.
No. In some favor, according to the needs. That's.
Anyone have other opinion?
In offline shopping instant provide offline shopping provide instant satisfaction. You buy any product offline, so it's reduce delivery time. And in some time you buy a online product like a t-shirt or a top, so you buying a pink color top, so you deliver a product of green color, so this issue may be.
Okay, my opponent Madhuri says if we have if we have need one day shopping, one day online shopping cannot possible. I think that time there is a many platform we have get we have order like Blinkit, Instamart, lots of platform we have to shop, and they get our product in 20 or within 10 or 20 minutes they can deliver our product. मतलब I think I just mean to say it's the मतलब you all are says like on offline shopping is good, yes, which is good. There is no point I have to say, but still online shopping is very convenient, and we can save our money. They get they have providing a more discount. I think this is very good for us, and it save time limits. My all friends are already said it save time limits. Matlab, like we know about if our product are damaged or our product are unused, that's we have to claim that company, and must the point is depend on you. You have to shop in which website, in which app. That's why there is many there is lots of app we have to purchase so many products, and there is 100% guarantees app we get in our India. Thank you.
Valid point. Team A.
I respect your opinion, but what if we need shopping of clothes? What if we need of shopping of clothes?
I think, dear Madhuri, it's that is a lots of website we have shopping clothes right
In
now
one day.
in our India. Not about not we can say our in available in our Amravati.
Okay, right. Give some examples.
Yeah. We like developing district. I am not saying like Amravati. I am saying like in other district like Pune, Mumbai,
Other
they
dis-
have available online. We can purchase online shopping or like clothes. I have some proof, but there is many website I know. There is many website we have to get we can shop online shopping, and they have deliver our clothes in like 15 to 20 minutes.
But ma'am, please give an example.
Like I'll say Zudio, Mintra, lots of platform we have to get.
Okay.
Friends, my opponents are very strong opinion about offline online shopping. But there is a one question: why they do not believe in offline shopping? There is no reason for them to not to believe in offline shopping, but they only try to say I am we are in favor of online shopping. So online shopping is available 24 hours. It is okay. They are budget friendly, but you could not prove this point. I think how these shoppings are budget friendly. There are many taxes on there, GST, CGST, and many more taxes on for these things or what you purchase online. And there is another thing, as far as our team is concerned, we favor offline shopping. If you have don't money in our pocket, what to do? How to purchase anything online? Tell me answer. Anybody can tell me? Have you any answer about this? I don't have money, for example, in my pocket. How can I purchase anything online? But I want to purchase online.
What, sir?
If I want to purchase by online, but I don't have money, how can purchase online? But yes, I can purchase offline. My shopkeeper believe in me, and give us many things, many groceries. Oh. Why? How? Only he believe in me. There is no belief in, I think, online shopping. Yes, thank you.
Okay, sir. Sorry to interrupt. I think you just tell something. Yeah, matlab, if you have no money to purchase online shopping, right? I think you have to shop regularly in online. Then every apps or every online shopping apps they can provide a many coins of you, because of more companies can get they have to say like if you are buying regularly, if you are shopping regularly, they can they can provide you a many coins. And lots of coin we have to save in that app, and we have to purchase and we have to buy in no budget we are in our pocket, right? That's it, sir.
Sorry, ma'am, but is it not? I think my satisfaction, because what you are saying or what you told about this thing, we don't have any type of money, and how these coins are on our name. How we can collect these coins? These coins only collected on our name with the help of online shopping only. Not if you don't have any money or don't have money. So that means you don't have coins. So I am not totally against of online shopping. In the present era, everyone believe in online shopping and offline shopping. They adjust in both. That means our life is also adjustable. Why say? In the same way, both we people believe in online and offline shopping also. Yes.
But every shopkeeper don't give you free.
I don't go to every shopkeeper. I don't go. I don't used to go everywhere.
So everyone talk about clothes and electronic devices like this. Some of the you don't talk about the food. In online shopping, they give dry fruits. Some example, and it was sometimes it gets expired food they give, and it's very problematic for us. And in offline shopping, we collect the we go in a store and we collect the we select the dry fruits what we want, and I think it's because of that I think offline shopping is good.
I think they have a written policy. Once again, I am telling you that they have written policy. Sir, I am giving you live example. Sir bought this TV online and sir got the discount also. And you said you don't have money. When you are roaming around outside, if you don't have money, the shopkeeper cannot give you some groceries. If they don't have trust on you, if you don't have money, if you are roaming around anywhere, if you don't have money, anything you cannot buy it. And if we are talking about savings account, or if you are talking about bank, they if you are keeping things in house, and if why you are keeping things in lockers, because my point is, if you are keeping things in bank, if you are keeping cash in bank, you have online access of that thing also. If they cheated you also, they point a message online. This everything is happening online right now. This is the present era. Okay, that's it. Okay.
My opponents are saying that the online era is going on. So we are talking about online shopping versus offline shopping. We are not be considering the bank saving money and all other things. We are talking about online shopping and offline shopping.
Okay.
Any
So-
point?
Okay. If you have any cash, they are providing online message. Okay. This happens to me, and whenever my dogs get ill, he gets ill at 2 p.m. at night, I open a medical app and I order some medicines, and they give me such a nice medicine because he literally get so well in that time. So that's why I think of online shopping is better.
Thank you. I am partially agree with you, or partially with the opinions of my opponent, but there is one big problem. As you favor for online shopping, I think you don't think about other people, those who are in favor of offline shopping. So tell me, how can you purchase or buy vegetables? That means the people who are speaking against offline shopping, today onward they are going to prefer, I think, purchase everything. They purchase vegetables and other thing only online. Is it possible for you? Yes. So forget these our vegetable shops from today.
My
Thank you.
Sir, you say all the points in offline shopping, we which is consider, but still in our country, in our India, the online shopping, whatever you want, like vegetables, like clothes, whatever, still available because you have matlab, if you are stable matlab, which like your health you are stable, you can go market, you can buy some vegetables, you whatever you want. But the problem is there is many person they can like they have more problems like medical issue, like in case your mother, your mother is like very young old, then you have to take care of herself, then that is not possible, you have to go out from buying some vegetables, buying some medicals. That is a very, I think that is that point online shopping is must, because of we can save our time and we can take care of our mother. That's it.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. My opponents give very good point to me or for our team. There is some kind of work when we walk for a shop. That means there is a exercise. Okay. And then in online shopping there is no exercise. And how can build our health with the online shopping? So we are in compare to you more physical person, I think. Physically fit person.
Okay, sir. If you just think about your home is nearby. No.
Given that example.
Sir, let me clear. I just explain. matlab, you just think about. You have to live in rural area. No, sorry. That's point is not consider. You have living in some another place. If there is no shop in your nearby, like 5 to 6 kilometers, and you have to need immediately. And I think online shopping, whatever the platform, I think online shopping they can provide you like delivery time in 15, hardly 15 or 20 minutes. Then what you have to do in that time, there is no shops in your nearby, then what you do like in that time?
Ma'am, there is another question from our team. As you ask this question to our team, so my question is, when there is a delay in delivering a product, what you are going to do? There may be 8 or 10 days delay. This is the same example as you asked. The answer is for that question. If our place is more far from our 6 to 7 kilometer from our place, and shop is near about 5 to 6 kilometer, so we cannot visit that shop sometimes. But my question is, the buyer of online shopping, if there is delay of product more than 5 days, 10 days, so what will you do? That means there is we waste our time. As you raise question about our time, there is a lot of time to go there and purchase thing. This place is, or the shop is more than 6 to 5 kilometer, 5 to 6 kilometers away from your house. So that means there is a time delay also, and when you are going to shop online, there is a time delay also. So what is the difference between these two topics. How can we differ this? So these are, I think, both are as important as our buyer is concerned. We believe in both. Yes. Thank you.
I think it depends on app, which app you are ordered from. Because it is from Blinkit, they give in just 8 minutes. They deliver you in just 8 minutes. And if you shop from another's app, they will get delivered by time. Because if they don't deliver the time, they have some penalty to that buyer. I think like that, because I order something on online shopping and I get refunded 100 more because I get my order get delayed. That's it, and that is my point.
So I must say, as I am pharmacist, the online shopping of medicine is the biggest drawback of our country. First of all, medicines. This is it shows blind trust on about healthcare sector, and one thing is a huge loss of our local pharmacy shops, and there is a risk of medicines, and we play with our health. So.
There are many online shops. If we want a early deliver of any product, and if we give more money, then they will deliver you faster than you want.
First of all, products manufacturing in offline, then we go online. That's why my opponents choose online products.
I think my point, you are a girl, you cannot roam around at night at 2 p.m. if you buy any medicines. Then how will you do it if you need emergency of any medicines at night, and if you don't have it, what will you do? There is only one option.
But we are not alone. We have to. We can help of any people or other person of our.
If you don't have, I was telling a conditioner.
We can take help. Yes.
Okay. If they doesn't have any medicines, does not have medicine. If they don't have any medicines with them, what will you do? Because some
Which
animals, if we are talking about animals, they we are human, we are having our own medicines, but what about other animals?
Nowadays there is more shops like 24/7. They are open.
No. If you are searching for animal shop, they are not open by 24.
I can give you example in Amravati.
Okay.
The Arogya Bharati Medical Store. It is 24/7.
They are for humans. What about animals?
No, I'm working. I was work there.
You was a worker.
Okay. I was work there. So
they are only having a food, or but when you are having some literally, when you are dying, the dog in dying at that time, what should you do? You don't have to go and buying that medicines shop, and that you need urgency of that medicines.
Urgent medicines can also purchase. We can purchase.
You have to go and that shop.
That's why I'm saying.
Imagine everyone, you at alone in your house, and there are not available any vehicle. So then you have immediately need to some medicine and some accessory. So then you choose online shopping. So this is So that's why online shopping is immediately uh, uh, deliver. And if you purchase in a shop, so shop is not nearby every person, shop is only nearby some people's there are, so that's why online shopping is important.
What about gold and silver items? If you buy any gold silver item from online, why people choose online platform for buying gold or silver? Any answer?
Okay, you just telling what about the gold. First of all, gold we cannot buy. Gold we are purchase, and gold we are purchase, and we cannot suddenly purchase gold like if you are thinking like I can purchase some gold. That's not point, that's not a real point. Gold we can invest our money, that's then we have to think about if you are purchasing gold. That's why I just say something. Gold is not short term. Like if we are thinking like, and we can purchase gold, there is a biggest investment we are doing. I think the gold point is not considered in online or offline
Silver,
shopping.
because in many platforms silver chains, silver rings, and other also golds are it is not a big investment, because many people have more money to buy any gold, because 10,000 is not more for any people.
Okay, yeah, you just telling about silver. I think, madam, sorry.
एक second, I am not telling about other people and big investment. I am telling about 5,000 to 10,000 investment, and 10,000 investment is not big investment. So
First of all, it's totally your choice. You have to buy, you have to purchase. But you just say like gold. That's why I'll telling you the gold we can purchase. It's not like normal or normal situation. Normal we have to think like if like just I give you example. If I am doing a job, seriously, I'm doing a job, and then I'll just save some like 2000, like 2000 3000 per month, because of I know I have to purchase after 8 or 10 years I have purchased or I have purchased some gold. That's why little investment I have to do in my before 10 or 8 or 10 years, then I have to purchase some gold. That is not immediate point we have to purchase bus.
Okay, thank you, madam. You already give the answer of our question, because you told that we can collect money month to month or year by year to purchase any expensive ornament like gold, silver, or other things. And your some colleagues, friends, those who are against offline shopping and in favor of online shopping, they stress or they give focus on online shopping, because they have enough money, I think, to purchase many things in their pocket.